Hi everyone, my name is Danielle, also known as Miss Happy Housewife. I'm here to teach you that there's no such thing as a perfect housewife, just a happy one. So today we are going to be adding another thing to our weekly plan because today is Friday. Of course, you should have already done your morning routines up to this point. If you haven't been following us, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link over here, a link up there for you, and that way you can actually start on the journey with us. So today we're going to be cleaning out that deep, dark hole of our purses. And then we're also going to be going into our vehicles and we're going to be doing that as well. At first, I'm going to probably do my purse because I know it's not as bad. So I'm going to do my purse and then I'll come back and let's talk about it.
Drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette.
The good thing about doing the emptying out of your purse and the car on Fridays is that we're not going to have that huge pit anymore. Because even if someone asks us, hey, put this in your purse, put this in your purse, put this in your purse, we're going to be able to get rid of it and take it out every single Friday. So that way you're not going to have weird things at the bottom of your purse anymore. It's kind of nice, huh? Now that we're done with our purse, now we're going to do the part that I know we kind of all dread, and that is our vehicle. So something I'm going to do is, and I definitely recommend it for you, I would take a clothes basket out there. And that way, anything that needs to leave the car, if it is something that has to come in the house, put it in the clothes basket. Also bring a garbage bag, and that way if it's garbage, it goes right in the bag. And before you even make it in the house, that garbage bag goes in the can. So I'm gonna go ahead and get inside of that van. It's bad. Like I said, I'm here on that journey with you. It's gonna be rough. Just fair warning. Here we go.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
I ended up going and getting the van vacuumed out. I only really wiped down the back because next Friday I'm going to wipe down the middles, and then the Friday after that I will do the front. I don't know. I might switch it up so that I do the fronts before. I'm not sure. I'm pretty tired, kind of hot. It was a little bit too hot for me to finish the rest of the van. So that is what we're gonna be doing every Friday, and we wanna make sure that we add that to our control journal. Now, other things I'm gonna be adding to the control journal for a Friday, we're gonna be mopping the kitchen and the bath. We'll be able to make sure that we do that every week, and it's gonna stay clean, so it's not gonna take as long to do it every week once you actually do it the first time. I want to add Saturday and Sunday because I'm going to be taking the next 2 days off from filming. Saturday, that's family fun, so that's where just go have fun with your family. And I also have here clean the mirrors and clean the windows in the front door and the back door. The Sunday is renew your spirit. So that means do something to pamper yourself. Even if it is something small, do something to pamper you. I wrote down dust, so I'm going to be dusting every Sunday. It won't take long, but that way it's something kind of easy. So I want to thank you so much for staying with me today, and I cannot wait for Monday. So you will not see a video from me until Monday, but we're going to be talking about zones, and we're going to start getting down and dirty, and we're going to start decluttering. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.